Sometimes we are too scared. We are like introvert kind of a person. So if we get new calls, we are hesitant to pick up. So most of the time we check who is calling. So my name is Shashank. I recently graduated and I'm looking for masters right now. It's been more than 10 years, I guess. I mean, it's a great app. Most of the times, whenever whoever is calling, we'll get to know their names or whatever. We'll get a basic idea of who it is calling. Sometimes we are too scared. We are like introvert kind of a person. So if we get new calls, we are hesitant to pick up. So most of the time, we check who is calling. So you know OLX, right? One we used to sell and buy stuff, second-hand stuff. So last time I was actually trying to sell my bed. So what happened is some person had called me saying that they're interested, and they're sending me QR on WhatsApp. But OLX is not telling he's a scammer or what. It just showed me as a potential buyer. So I thought, okay, fine, we'll do. And then I just took their phone number and put it on Truecaller. Then I got to know it is a scam, and I just saw the like a scam eventual and whatever people had put on. So it was like a red zone. So I just confronted them. They're like, no, no, nothing like that. And then I was like, whatever reviews are on for your phone number, everything is coming on. So he got angry or something that he got caught. So he started scolding and he just hung up. So this was something where Truecaller helped me out. I mean, most of the times I just download in their phones without asking them only. Most of the time, because they'll be like, you check in your phone and tell me who called it, whose name is there. Just check which number or who's the phone number holder, whatever. I have to check multiple times in my phone. So I just download it without asking.